Hello everybody. Today, let's take a look at 8x8 video conferencing features. So in the Google search window, I shall type 8x8. Now here's the link. Clicking on this will take me to the home page. Let's click on the video meetings. So now, once we click on start, we'll be able to start the meeting. At the base, you see the link which we can copy and share with the participants. We can share by WhatsApp, email, etc. Now, in this toolbar, we can see that we can share the screen. So I can share entire screen, application window, a Chrome tab. Now over here, we can go to say my YouTube channel. We can see the uploaded videos. Once we are done with the sharing of the screen, we can click on the stop button so that it will stop sharing. Now we can raise our hand to ask any queries. You can enter the chat box and say hello or converse with the participants. Here we can control the mic, mute and unmute it. If we wish to end the meeting once we are done with all the discussions, we can click on this button. This will allow me to stop using the video. Now we can adjust the view of the screen, whether it's in tile view or full screen, etc. I can share the link and dial in information for the meeting from here, as we saw earlier. And more actions are available here, such that managing the video quality, starting a live stream, starting a recording, adjust the settings, mute all the participants, see the speaker statistics, leave feedback, view shortcuts, download apps, etc. Once we are done with the details of our meeting, we can end the meeting. So that's it. Thank you for being with me during this exploration.